मेरी उम्मीदों ने ही मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा चोट दी। हर किसी ने जात पूछी फिर जाकर वोट दी। A very warm and pleasant morning to one and all present over here. This assembly has been conducted by the students of class 9th and 11th on the occasion of National Voters Day. Let us begin our assembly with an inspirational thought by Vasundhara of class 11th A.
One small positive thought in the morning can change our whole day. A very pleasant good morning to one and all present here. Today Vasundhara, student of class 11 science, going to represent a beautiful thought on the occasion of National Voting Day. Voting is the expression of our commitment to ourselves, one another, this country and this world. I repeat my thought, voting is the expression of our commitment to ourselves, one another, this country and this world. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now, Molly is coming in front of you to tell about the power of voters. Now, I would like to invite Vanna for speech.
A very hearty good morning to one and all present here. I am Molly Mishra of class 9. As you all know, today I am here to speak on the topic of power of voters. So please listen to me calmly. It's our right. As a democratic country, India is built on the foundations of elections. Our parliament and legislatures are of the people, by the people and for the people. Voting is the constitutional right that we are privileged to have. We take it for granted, but the constitution has given us the right that who we want and the right to make the change. Agent of change, your vote can play an important part in making the change. If you are unhappy with the current government, you can vote for the better one. Not voting could result in the same party for another 5 years. At the end of the day, if the country is stuck with a bad government, it's the people to blame and for voting and for not voting at all. Your vote counts, though it seems like an endless sea of people are there to vote. Every vote counts. When the national attitude changes from thinking, my vote does not make a difference, then the number increase and multitude of voting will make the difference. The responsibilities lies on every individual. Thank you for listening me. Have a nice day.
Now, Jia is coming to deliver a wonderful poem.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम जिया है। मैं कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा हूँ। आज मतदान दिवस के अवसर पर मैं आप सभी के सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। युद्ध बिगुल बज चुका, युद्ध घमासान है, अस्त्र जीत का तेरी सिर्फ मतदान है। राजा हो या रंक हो, आज सब समान है, फर्क कुछ भी नहीं, मत ही बस पहचान है। तो हो खड़ा, मतदान कर, वृद्ध या जवान है, देश इस महायज्ञ में मांगे योगदान है। फिर कहना कभी नहीं कि मेरी तो चली नहीं, आज मत जो है तेरा वो जीत का प्रमाण है। तो अस्त्र ये हाथ ले और देख का कमान है, और छोड़ दे इस तीर को जो वज्र के समान है, जो वज्र के समान है। धन्यवाद।
Now, Vanna is coming in front of you to present a wonderful speech on the Voters' Day.
When we vote, our values are put into action and our voice is heard. Your voice is a reminder that you matter because you do and you deserve to be heard. A very heartiest good morning to one and all present here. I am Vandana of class 9. Today I am here to speak about National Voters Day. So please listen to me calmly. India celebrates National Voters Day on 25th of Jan every year. The celebration of the day aims to increase the participation of a number of voters and to encourage newly eligible voters. National Voters Day is celebrated to encourage maximize enrollment, especially for the new voters or first-time voters. On this day, voters are being made aware of promoting informed participation in the electoral process. New voters or first-time electorate are handed over their elector photo identity card in the National Voters Day function. Voters Day celebration was initiated in 2011 by the President of India, Shri Pratibha Devi Patil ji, on 61st Foundation Day of Election Commission of India or ECI was established on 25th of Jan in 1950. The agenda to celebrate National Voters Day is to raise awareness of the importance of voting among the newly eligible voters of the country. Voting is a basic process that helps to form a country's government. One can choose the representatives through voting. Voting rights enable the people the right to question the government about issues and clarifications. All of us may have been created equal, but we will never actually be equal until we all vote. So don't wait, vote. Thank you and have a nice day.